smelled like steel. Red brick walls, dust on the wheels. Days passed slowly, building scooters, dreaming big. We copied heroes, believed in them. We made tracks through the neighborhood streets. Every turn had a name. Each boy was a racer, each with his style, his helmet bright. Everyone had a hero. We loved racing and winning. We was the 90s stories on TV. We cut out pictures from magazines. Our walls were racing museums. Grew up with petrol and grease. Rebel spirit in our veins. Visor down, we're all the same. Champion spirit was our guide. Wild races, knees to the ground for victory. For victory. For victory. Our victory. Crazy days, ups and downs, the hills on fire with our lives. By day, dreaming of love for that long-haired girl who stole your heart. By night, rockets on those curves, marking time of all the lives. Dreaming of heroes, we believed. A rebel spirit in our veins. Visor down, we're all the same. Champion spirit was our guide. Wild races, knees to the ground for victory. For victory. For victory. Our victory. Rebel spirit in our veins. Visor down, we're all the same. Champion spirit was our guide. Wild races, knees to the ground for victory.